Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Shamsul Muarif from Group 5, Grade 9B. And I introduce my friends. The cameraman is Nano and the editor is Fauzi.
Hello everyone, so this time I'm working on procedure tech assessment.
This is how to make Dalgona candy. Why I made this? Because few material used and as cost effective, and I'm curious about the taste of Dalgona candy. White. To eat.
You got me like 이건 아무 감정 없는 love story 어떤 설렘도 어떤 의미도 내게 미안하지만 I'm not sorry 원래부터 나 Bitch 나는 solo
That's all from our group. Sorry if there are shortcomings. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it's free. That is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
oh 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 oh